Hello, and welcome to this video on Blender GP SVG Helper Script Update version 0.0.12, courtesy of user Monef. Link to his GitLab in the description below. There have been some big changes to the script which warrants a brief explanation and showcase. README has been updated as well, so if you don't want to watch the video but are interested in the changes, you can just read that instead. Firstly, the structure of script's output has changed substantially. When a PDF file is converted, the script now outputs in a new folder which copies the name of the PDF. A new script mode has been added for batch processing of multiple PDF files at once on demand, again each into its own folder. Best show this on an example. We have these 3 PDF files here that were exported from GP Animations. Previously, we would have to convert each one individually. Now we can just run the script in batch mode. This can be accomplished by running the runbg.ps1 or runbg sh executables. Let's test it out. Seems to be working fine. Now we have 3 different folders, one for each PDF file. This direct approach is great for batch processing. Another new thing is that each of our new folders contains snippets.html and meta.json files. Meta.json file contains information about the animation like the number of frames, the FPS, the resolution, etc. Snippets.html file contains the clean default HTML code and styles for the animation without anything else, unlike the preview.html file. Both of these could prove very useful for automation and agentic workflows. Lastly, the preview.html file has been updated as well, making it slightly more customizable and organized. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day and see you in the next one. Maybe